Imagine a world without instant communication. No phone calls to loved ones across continents, no quick texts to confirm dinner plans. It's a world we rarely consider, thanks to a hidden hero of the digital age, the SS7 protocol. SS7 stands for Signaling System Number 7. It's a complex set of protocols that work behind the scenes. It ensures you can call, text, and use mobile data seamlessly. Think of SS7 as the postal system of the telecom world. It directs your calls and messages to the right destination. It's a critical part of our daily lives, even if we don't realize it. But this unsung hero has a vulnerability. Just like any complex system, SS7 has weaknesses that hackers can exploit. Understanding these vulnerabilities is crucial in our increasingly interconnected world. SS7 is the invisible force that powers your phone calls. When you dial a number, SS7 finds the recipient's phone, no matter where they are. It sets up a connection and manages the call duration. But SS7 does more than just connect calls. It's also responsible for SMS delivery. When you send a text, SS7 ensures it reaches the right inbox. It manages the delivery confirmation and other features we take for granted. Mobile data, the lifeblood of our smartphones, also relies on SS7. It authenticates your device on the network. It allows you to browse the internet, stream videos, and download apps on the go. International roaming, the ability to use your phone abroad, wouldn't be possible without SS7. It handles the complex process of connecting you to foreign networks. It ensures seamless communication wherever you travel. The story of SS7 begins in the 1970s. This was a time when rotary phones were commonplace. Digital communication was in its infancy. The International Telecommunication Union, or ITU, recognized the need for a standardized signaling system. This system would connect different telephone networks. It would usher in a new era of global communication. In 1988, the first version of SS7 was introduced. It was a revolutionary development. It replaced outdated analog systems with a digital signaling network. Over the years, SS7 has undergone several updates and revisions, but its core function remains the same: to facilitate seamless communication in an increasingly mobile and interconnected world. SS7 is the invisible backbone of the global telecom industry. It's the silent worker that keeps billions of calls, texts, and data packets flowing every day. Telecom operators rely on SS7 for a wide range of services. These include call forwarding, caller ID, and prepaid billing. Without SS7, these services wouldn't be possible. Emergency services also depend on SS7. When you dial an emergency number, SS7 routes your call to the nearest emergency center. It plays a crucial role in delivering timely assistance. Financial institutions use SS7 for secure transactions. When you use your phone for online banking or mobile payments, SS7 helps protect your sensitive data. Section 5. Cracks in the armor unveiling SS7's vulnerabilities. Despite its importance, SS7 is not without its flaws. Security researchers have discovered vulnerabilities that hackers can exploit. These vulnerabilities threaten the privacy and security of millions. One major vulnerability is call interception. By exploiting weaknesses in SS7, hackers can listen in on your calls. They can intercept your voice conversations without your knowledge or consent. Unauthorized location tracking is another serious threat. Hackers can use SS7 to pinpoint your location with alarming accuracy. They can track your movements and gather sensitive information about your whereabouts. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, bypass is a growing concern. SS7 vulnerabilities can allow hackers to intercept 2FA codes sent via SMS. This compromises the security of your online accounts. Section 6. When SS7 attacks, real-world breaches and their impact. SS7 vulnerabilities are not just theoretical threats, they've been exploited in real-world attacks with serious consequences. In 2016, hackers used an SS7 vulnerability to steal money from bank accounts in Germany. They intercepted 2FA codes and bypassed security measures to gain unauthorized access. In 2017, researchers demonstrated how SS7 vulnerabilities could be used to track the location of a U.S. congressman. They pinpointed his location with alarming accuracy using only his phone number. These incidents highlight the real-world dangers of SS7 vulnerabilities. They underscore the urgent need for stronger security measures to protect our privacy and security. Section 7. Inside the mind of an SS7 hacker. SS7 attacks can be carried out by various actors. These include malicious hackers, intelligence agencies, and even some telecom operators. Hackers with access to SS7 can exploit its vulnerabilities for different purposes. These include stealing sensitive information, tracking individuals, and disrupting communication networks. Location tracking is a common motive for SS7 attacks. By exploiting SS7, hackers can track the movements of individuals without their knowledge or consent. This information can be used for stalking, surveillance, or even kidnapping. Communication interception is another goal of SS7 attacks. Hackers can listen in on phone calls, intercept text messages, and even access voicemail messages. This can give them access to confidential information, trade secrets, or even personal conversations. Unauthorized access to mobile devices is a serious risk posed by SS7 vulnerabilities. Hackers can exploit these weaknesses to gain control of your phone, steal your data, or even use your phone to make unauthorized calls or send messages. Section 8. Shielding your digital self. SS7 security tips. While SS7 vulnerabilities are a serious concern, there are steps you can take to protect yourself. Use encrypted messaging apps whenever possible. These apps encrypt your messages end-to-end, making it much harder for hackers to intercept your communications, even if they have access to SS7. Enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts, but avoid SMS-based two-factor authentication. Use app-based two-factor authentication methods such as Google Authenticator or Authy. These are more secure and less vulnerable to SS7 attacks. Contact your mobile service provider and ask them about their SS7 security measures. Are they aware of the vulnerabilities? What steps are they taking to protect their customers? Section 9. Your SS7 Security Toolkit, a step-by-step guide. While I can't provide specific tools due to ethical concerns, I can guide you on how to find and use them. Step 1. Research and identify. Start by researching reputable cybersecurity firms specializing in telecom security. Look for those offering SS7 vulnerability assessments or penetration testing services. Step 2. Contact and consult. Reach out to these firms and explain your needs. They will likely offer tailored solutions based on your specific requirements. Step 3. Understand the process. The firm will use specialized tools and techniques to simulate SS7 attacks on your network. This helps identify vulnerabilities hackers could exploit. Step 4. Analyze and mitigate. Once the assessment is complete, they'll provide a detailed report outlining the identified vulnerabilities and recommendations for mitigation. Step 5. Stay updated. Cybersecurity is an ongoing process. Regularly check for updates and new vulnerabilities related to SS7. Stay informed about the latest security practices. Section 10. The future of communication, safeguarding SS7. The SS7 protocol, despite its flaws, remains the backbone of global communication. It will continue to play a vital role in our increasingly interconnected world. But as we become more reliant on mobile devices and wireless networks, securing SS7 is more critical than ever. Telecom operators, governments, and security researchers must work together. The future of communication depends on our ability to address these vulnerabilities. We need to develop robust security measures to protect SS7 from those who seek to exploit it. Section 11. Stay connected, stay secure. The world of SS7 might seem complex, but understanding its importance and vulnerabilities is crucial for everyone. By staying informed about SS7 security risks, you can make more informed decisions about your digital security. You can protect yourself from potential threats. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about SS7 and its vulnerabilities, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the digital world safely and securely. For more insights into the fascinating world of technology, cybersecurity, and the cosmos, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.